Hey guys, I'm Iyas and I would like to say congratulations for completing BIM Infrastructure Roads and Highway module with CIDB. In this particular video, what we're going to learn is that we're going to leverage the power of Infraworks to come up with the existing condition on the area of interest that we're going to work on and come up with the conceptual design in Infraworks 360 before going into Civil 3D. So make sure that you have launched your Infraworks 360 and you have signed in into your account. In the model builder, we're going to click here, and then to search the location, I'm going to type in Bukit Beruntung. Make sure it's in Serendah, Selangor. Just click any of that. I'm going to zoom out a bit, and then as you can see, I can see the area of interest that I want to work on. Okay, to change it into aerial view, go up here and then click aerial. And if you remember correctly, this is the exact location where we started our project in the class. So what we're going to do is that I'm going to take the area of this thing by drawing a polygon on my AOI. So I'm just going to click here, maybe somewhere around here, and then I'm just going to take a few sides of that thing. Click it, and on the last point I'm just going to double click. Okay, I'm going to enter a model name. I'm going to type proposed road design Bukit Beruntung. Okay, and I'm going to click create model. Okay, so when I did that thing, what happened is that Autodesk will take the area of interest and then come up with the design. I've done it before, so just to save time in this video, and I can just click open. So as you can see, in a very short period of time, less than few minutes, so I'm able to find the existing condition. If I rotate it, I can see some elevation. Okay, if I look from the top, I can see the buildings and the existing road. Okay, I can click at any of the road to see the styles, and sometimes if you click at one of the roads, you'll be able to see the name. For example, this one, it says here Persiaran Bunga Raya. Okay, so in the next video, what we're going to do is that we are going to work on our existing model, and then we are going to further design this thing.